Hi, my name is Larry. I run a website called watermitigationadvice.com. On the website we have things about water damage, flood damage, fire damage, smoke damage, water mitigation, and it's all free advice. So please stop by and check it out. Right now we want to appreciate you for stopping by to view my channel here, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. All right, we're going to show you how to clean your smoke sponge today, and then we'll show you how to clean drywall. And it's got smoke on it. What I'm using here is a scrubbing pad for a scrubbing machine commercially. You can pick them at the janitorial stores. It works really great. This way your sponge is dry when you finish and you can continue to reuse it. It saves you a bundle on buying the sponges, especially when you're doing a lot. Because your sponge will get dirty real quick. Now, if you have a fireplace and if you've ever had smoke come out of it and you thought all the smoke was gone, if you have one of these sponges and rubbed it on the wall, you'd probably be surprised how much smoke is still on that wall. It doesn't take much for the smoke to stick to the wall. Now, you'll notice this just a dry sponge, and it's a clean sponge when I'm starting. I'm rubbing it down on this drywall. Now, this is a flat paint surface on the wall. If it's a gloss surface, sometimes you have to go for liquid to do it, but never use liquid on the dry, flat paint, because it will cause it to turn to like an ink and stain in there. Now, you can see how it's picking up all the black off of there. Very, very simple. Just rub it down and you can clean your sponge and go back over it if you have to. As long as it don't get wet or you don't put your sweaty hands on it, it should probably clean up pretty well. Very, very simple. You pick these sponges up at most janitorial stores. Called chemical sponge or smoke sponge, dry sponge. There's different names for them, but basically a smoke sponge or chemical sponge, most people know what you're talking about. Thank you for watching the video. Appreciate it.